Second truth, the noble truth of the origin of suffering. What now is the noble truth of the origin of suffering? It is that craving which gives rise to fresh rebirth, and bound up with pleasure and lust, now here, now there, finds ever fresh delight. In the absolute sense, it is no real being, no self-determined, unchangeable ego entity that is reborn. However, there is nothing that remains the same even for 2 consecutive moments, for the 5 khandas, or groups of existence, are in a state of perpetual change, of continual dissolution and renewal. They die every moment, and every moment new ones are born. Hence, it follows that there is no such thing as real existence or being, Latin esse, but only as if it were an endless process, a continuous change, a becoming consisting in a producing and in a being produced, in a process of action, and in a process of reaction or rebirth. This process of perpetual producing and being produced may best be compared with an ocean wave. In the case of a wave, there is not the slightest quantity of water traveling over the surface of the sea, but the wave structure that hastens over the surface of the water, creating the appearance of one and the same mass of water, is in reality nothing but the continuous rising and falling of continuous but quite different masses of water, produced by the transmission of force generated by the wind. Even so, the Buddha did not teach that ego entities hasten through the ocean of rebirth, but merely life waves, which according to their nature and activities, good or evil, manifest themselves here as men, there as animals, and elsewhere as invisible beings. Now, isn't that sort of what they mean by hell, right? Is that your life waves, your cause and effect, has included mistakes that turn you into an animal metaphorically, and perhaps it carries on to the next life or the afterlife, or however you're going to phrase it.